Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be trading with the MACD indicator, and this indicator is very useful as well in trading. So I'll show you how to activate this indicator, to interpret this indicator and be able to enter a trade. So I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. You can be an advanced trader, you can be a beginner trader. Still, I'm inviting you to join. I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Just remember with a code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat because I post their trading signals once a day. And also you can be able to ask me questions about crypto trading, about my trading strategies, and you can be able to discuss with the other members of the group. So please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to share this video. So let's get started. So hi guys, so as I said, I'll be trading with the MACD indicator. So this indicator is very useful. It helps to show you the strength of the price movement and also helps to show you the reversal points. So I want to show you how to activate this indicator, how to interpret it, and how to enter a trade. So to activate this indicator, you need to click this button at the lower left corner and then choose MACD, and don't change anything here. Just make the moving averages thicker, or you can also change the color if you want. So here under the chart, this is the indicator MACD, which is two moving averages and a horizontal line. So the signal to open a trade is several moments. For example, when the green moving average is crossing over the red one from top to bottom, and also you will see that there is a red histogram on the horizontal line. This will signal that price will be falling down, and so we'll enter the market with a down trade. Also, there is another moment to enter the market. For example, when green moving average is crossing the red one from bottom to top, there is also a green histogram on the horizontal line. This will signal that upward movement will happen soon. So here you will have to enter an up trade. Also, there is another moment to enter the trade. For example, in some cases, you can only look at the histogram. For example, when the red histogram is changing to the green one and each green bar is longer than the previous one, this will signal that in the near future, the chart movement will be going up. So here you can open the up trade. Also, there's another moment as well. Also, when the moving average crosses the horizontal line from top to bottom, this signals that price will be falling and we should open a down trade. So all these are moments that you can be able to enter the trade using this indicator, but you need to keep in mind that you need to look at technical analysis first before you can use indicators, because all situations are different and most times indicators can give you errors. So technical analysis first before you can use any indicator. So let's start with our very first situation for today. Well, this is the first situation, and this is a level of support, and now the price has hit this level and it is starting to break through it, and moving averages have crossed the horizontal line from top to bottom. So here I think I'll enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute because I can see that price is breaking the level boundaries. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this situation, price trended down and I've got the profit. So thanks to this indicator, the price movements were clear for me. So I'm ready to go on. So this is the down trade. Price hit the support level and then pulled back up. And now the price is again trending towards this level and it's squeezing this level. And you can see that the moving averages have crossed each other and the red histogram is appearing. Well, in this situation, I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because I think that the price will trend towards this level because the price has all the strength to go down. Also, I chose 2 minutes with the margin in case there will be a small pullback up or a small flat, and then downward movement will continue. But let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this, price trended to the support level and I've got the profit from this transaction. So let me go on. Well, this is a level of support and this was the flat zone. The price pulled back up and now the price is trending to the level. the moving averages have crossed each other, and on the horizontal zero line there is a red histogram appearing, and each bar is longer than the previous one. So I will enter the market here for 2 minutes with a down trade, because the price will trend to this level because it has the strength to go down. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this, the price trended down and I've got a profit from this transaction, and thanks to this indicator I could determine a very good entry point. So this is another situation, and this is the level of support on the chart, and there was a pullback up and price got into the flat zone, and then it was the exit from this zone, and you can see that there is a distance to the support level, and the moving averages have crossed each other and the red histogram has appeared. So in this situation, I will enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I think that the price will trend down and it has the strength to go down. And the time is with a margin, of course, in case of a pullback up or a flat zone. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, price trended down and I've got the profit again, and thanks to this indicator, of course, everything went smoothly. But let me go on. Well, in this situation, it has been a very steady uptrend, and the price has hit the level of resistance and it's breaking it through. You can see that the moving averages have crossed the horizontal zero line. So here I'm thinking I'll enter the market for 1 minute only with an up trade, because I'm sure there'll be the breakout of the level. As you can see, it's already happening as well. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this, the price trended up and I've got the profit, and the time was chosen correctly, so I think I can go on. So this is the level of support here, and the price maximum is getting lower, and this is a downtrend, and there is a distance to the level of support, as you can see, and also the moving averages have crossed each other, and also they are crossing the horizontal zero line. So here I'm going to enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results. Of course, the 2 minutes is with a margin in case of a small flat or a pullback up until down movement continues. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, looking at this situation, we can see that the price really trended down and I've got my profit from this transaction. So the indicator was really helpful in this situation. So let me go on. So here on this chart, I can observe the level of support, and from this level there was the pullback, and now the price is trending towards this level with very good candles. And you can see there is an intersection of the moving averages, and you can see a red histogram. So I entered here the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, of course with a margin in case of a small flat or a pullback upwards until downward movement will continue. Let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this trade, price trended down and I've got the profit again, and 2 minutes were really chosen correctly here, and you can see that indicator really helped me a lot. And now you can see that my balance is $2,500, and I would like to find a very interesting transaction for today. So here on the chart, this is a level of support, and from this point the price reversed and it is now trending down, and you can see there is a distance to the level of support, and moving averages here have crossed, and on the horizontal zero line there is a red histogram down. So here I'll enter the market for 2 minutes with a down trade, because I think price is likely to be trending towards the support level because it has all the strength to go down and the price maximum is getting lower. Of course, it's with a margin in case of a pullback or a flat zone, but let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price trended down to the support level and I've got very good profit. So this time was really chosen correctly and I was able to choose a very good entry point thanks to the indicator, and I could determine the price movement thanks to it. And you can see now that my balance is $4,000, and I think I would like to stop here for today. So as you saw, all the situations in the market were worked out with this MACD indicator, and it's not quite hard because most of the situations were similar, and as I told you before that most situations in the market repeat themselves, so you can be able to find a lot of situations in your trades that are similar to the ones that I'm using, and you can be able to copy my trading strategies as well and be able to use them and make some profit. So this indicator is relatively easy to use, but you need to look at technical analysis first, because technical analysis is the basis of any trade, and all these indicators can easily provide you with errors, so you don't need to depend on them too much. So I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I'm inviting you to join because there are many things there I post. You can be able to learn something new, whether you're an advanced trader or a new trader. There's something new there that you can be able to learn from. You can be able to ask me questions as well. You can be able to interact with the other members of the group. So I left a link down below. The link down below is a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you can be able to interact with other members, be able to learn something new as well, as I said. So if you really like this video, please do not forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, and also do not forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So I'm thanking you so much for watching this video. So until next time, bye bye.